Today I'm fixing an LG microwave. A repairman came, removed the magnetron and went away with it. So I had to know which kind of the magnetron that was removed. I checked the data sheet of this LG and went to look for the magnetron. It's an old type of microwave, but quality. In microwave products, the design hasn't changed and the technology is still the same as before. It's very big and you can also use it for baking. Because it has the grill. Yeah. It's a 40 minutes job to replace the magnetron. I came in with two. One could not fit, but the second one perfectly fitted. Now testing. The cloth is warm. Let me preheat again. If you are using a cloth, you dip it in water so that you microwave it. If you love this content, follow, share, and comment below for what you love to know. And guys, do remember, don't try this at home unless you are a qualified technician. Please. Electricity is very dangerous if not handled properly.